We'll guide you through how to animate stick figures in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy introduction to animation without complicated tools or prior experience. Open Krita, then create a new document by going to File and clicking New. Create a new canvas with your preferred size. Next, go to Window and choose Workspace Animation to switch into animation mode. Open the Timeline Docker and also open the Animation Docker so you can control frames easily. Go to the Layers panel and create a new paint layer. Select the Brush tool and draw a simple stick figure on the canvas. After that, go to the timeline, right-click Frame 0 and click Create Blank Frame. Your drawing is now Frame 1. Turn on onion skin to see the previous frame as a reference. Move to the next frame, right-click, and choose Create Blank Frame again. Draw a slight movement of the stick figure and repeat this process for the next frames. Keep the movement small in each frame to make the animation smooth. Create around 5 to 10 frames for better motion. Press play in the animation docker to preview your animation. Adjust the timing if needed to control the speed. Fix any frames if the motion looks weird or unnatural. Enable looping in the settings so the animation repeats smoothly. Finally, go to File and choose Render Animation. Select either GIF or video format depending on your needs, then export your animation to save the final result. Make sure you review your frames carefully before exporting to avoid mistakes. If necessary, go back to specific frames in the timeline and refine the drawing so transitions look consistent. Use onion skin again if you need better alignment between frames. You can also adjust frame duration in the timeline to create faster or slower motion depending on the effect you want. Continue testing by pressing play until the animation feels smooth and natural. Keep your drawing simple since this is a basic stick figure animation. Once everything looks correct, confirm your export settings such as resolution and file name.